What are your hopes and dreams for yourself? And which role do they play in our story as mankind?
Led by these questions, we have set off on a big journey, leaving our lives in Germany behind.
Hey, my name's Denise. I'm a freelance videographer and video editor. I'm a self-published author, and at times I give talks about my love for traveling in spite of my chronic metabolic disease, cystic fibrosis. And traveling the Pan-American Highway has been a dream of mine for many years now.
And I'm Florian. I temporarily quit my job back in Germany as a physiotherapist, like I did before, to travel to Australia and Indonesia to be close to my passion of surfing. And now we together converted a VW bus back in Germany to embark on a new travel, on a big journey to another continent. We're super happy to present our project to you, what we're doing right now.
Ojalá is the name of our film project. It's Spanish and means hopefully. It will be a tribute to the hopes, dreams, and projects in this world that we wish to see turned into reality. An authentic documentary-style film about our adventure, packed with inspiring people and their answers to these questions, our own insights and the wondrous beauty of this world.
We are out there to discover these stories and bring them to you, show you how they can be realized, but also how they sometimes fall through.
Perhaps we can encourage you to let your own hopes be revived, to become active yourself, or we can simply bring you joy and a new outlook on life by taking you on our journey with us. Support our project and look forward to everything we will discover on our way. Ojalá, a film about hope.